Optimal ribeye steak thickness for searing is approximately 1.5 inches. Ensure the ribeye steak reaches room temperature before searing. Patting the steak dry with paper towels is a critical step. Removing surface moisture is essential for proper searing. Surface moisture inhibits the Maillard reaction, preventing optimal browning. A dry surface promotes the development of a desirable crust. Generously apply kosher salt flakes to all surfaces of the ribeye. Ensure even coverage, including the edges of the cut. Salting draws out moisture from the meat. This process enhances the Maillard reaction during cooking. The Maillard reaction is crucial for developing a flavorful crust. Proper salting contributes significantly to the overall taste profile. A cast iron skillet is essential for even heat distribution during cooking. Proper heating of the skillet is crucial for achieving optimal searing. Begin by heating the cast iron skillet over medium-high heat. The skillet is ready when a faint wisp of white smoke appears. The steak is seasoned with salt before searing. The salted ribeye is placed onto a hot cast iron skillet. The high heat triggers the Maillard reaction. The Maillard reaction transforms the meat's color to a deep mahogany brown. It is responsible for the browning and development of complex flavors in cooked food. Direct contact with a hot surface, like a skillet, intensifies the Maillard reaction. Aromatics are key to enhancing the flavor of steak during cooking. Essential aromatics include butter, garlic, and herbs like rosemary. Prepare a knob of butter to add richness and aid in browning. Crush garlic cloves to release their intense, savory aroma. Include a sprig of rosemary for its distinctive, piney fragrance. These aromatics will be used to baste the steak, infusing it with flavor as it cooks. Butter basting involves enriching a seared steak with melted butter and aromatics. Begin by adding butter to the skillet where the steak was seared. Introduce flavor elements such as garlic and rosemary into the melting butter. As the butter melts, it will foam and bubble, releasing its aroma. Use a spoon to continuously baste the seared crust of the steak with the hot infused butter. This basting process enhances the steak's flavor and creates a rich golden crust. The hot butter aids in creating a flavorful crust. A meat thermometer is used to accurately monitor the internal temperature of the steak. The goal is to achieve a medium rare result by carefully controlling the cooking process. Remove the steak from the heat when the thermometer reaches 130 degrees Fahrenheit, 54 degrees Celsius. After searing and basting, the steak should be removed from the skillet. The steak needs to rest for approximately 10 minutes. Resting allows the juices within the steak to redistribute. Even moisture distribution contributes to a more tender texture. Ultimately, resting the steak results in a more flavorful and enjoyable eating experience. Allow the steak to rest after cooking to retain its juices. Use a sharp knife to ensure a clean and precise slice. The cut should reveal a uniformly pink center, indicating a medium rare doneness. Minimize the gray banding near the edges for optimal presentation. Proper slicing enhances the steak's texture and flavor profile. The residual heat within the steak raises the internal temperature slightly. This process results in a perfectly medium rare steak with optimal tenderness and flavor.